The Bare Butt Double Hammock is a durable, spacious hammock designed for two. Made from high-quality nylon, it supports up to 500 pounds. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or relaxing outdoors. Easy setup with included straps. There are many different types of Bare Butt Double Hammock, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best Bare Butt Double Hammock that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 1. Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock for Camping Hammocks Gear. The Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock combines comfort, durability, and convenience for all your outdoor adventures. Made from premium parachute nylon with triple interlocking stitching, this hammock is soft, strong, and built to last. Available in single and double sizes, it accommodates up to 400 pounds and 500 pounds, respectively. Weighing only 24 ounces and folding to the size of an eggplant, it's lightweight and compact, perfect for hiking, camping, or backyard lounging. Setting up is a breeze with included 9-foot tree straps, carabiners, and 5 adjustable loops for finding the perfect height. Easy to clean, it's machine washable, remove carabiners before washing. Whether relaxing by a campfire, lounging on the beach, or gifting an outdoor enthusiast, this hammock is a must-have for comfort and versatility. Enjoy adventure anywhere. Number 2. Gorilla Grip Durable Portable Camping Hammock. The Gorilla Grip Durable Portable Camping Hammock combines strength, comfort, and portability for your outdoor adventures. With ultra-strong steel carabiners, heavy-duty seams, and straps, this hammock securely holds up to 500 pounds. The included 10-foot adjustable straps feature 18 loops each, ensuring a perfect fit and height adjustment for any tree size while remaining tree-friendly to protect trunks. Crafted from soft, breathable nylon, this hammock is dirt-resistant, quick-drying, and built for long-lasting durability on tough adventures. Weighing only 2.16 pounds, it folds into its attached pocket for compact storage, which doubles as a holder for small essentials like sunglasses or headphones. Measuring 10 feet by 6.5 feet, the hammock is spacious yet easy to install in just 4 simple steps, no hardware required. Whether for camping, hiking, or backyard relaxation, this lightweight hammock is the perfect travel companion. Number 3. Nayet Double Hammock with Space-Saving Steel Stand. The Nayet Double Hammock with Space-Saving Steel Stand blends vibrant Brazilian style with ultimate comfort for a standout addition to your yard or outdoor adventures. The bold contrasting color stripes pair beautifully with a sleek black steel stand, creating a striking focal point. Crafted from thick, tightly woven cotton, the hammock evenly distributes weight in the center while the soft fabric gently wraps around you, delivering unparalleled, gravity-free relaxation. With a robust steel stand and metal buckle hooks, it boasts a 450-pound weight capacity, accommodating 2 people with ease. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking just 10 minutes to set up so you can start enjoying it right away. The kit includes a convenient nylon carrying bag, making this hammock highly portable for camping, traveling, or backyard lounging. Elevate your relaxation game wherever you go with this durable, stylish hammock set. Number 4. Sunyear Camping Hammock Portable Double Hammock. The Sunyear Camping Hammock with Rainfly is your ultimate companion for hammock camping. Designed with a thoughtful triangle rainfly design, it offers superior protection from wind, rain, and prying eyes, ensuring a cozy and private camping experience. Perfect for adventurous travelers or as a thoughtful gift for your loved ones, this hammock elevates outdoor comfort. Installation is hassle-free with 2 adjustable ropes and hooks, making setup a breeze. The dense, durable net keeps insects at bay, while the spacious design allows you to snuggle, stretch out, or even share space with your pet. Made from professional-grade nylon and breathable Oxford fabric, the hammock supports up to 600 pounds or 500 pounds. The included Rainfly offers 3000 mm PU waterproof and windproof protection for all-weather use. Complete with tree straps, ropes, stakes, and portable bags, this hammock is ready for your next adventure. Number 5. Covacure Camping Hammock Lightweight Double Hammock. The Covacure Camping Hammock is the perfect blend of durability and comfort for all your outdoor adventures. Made from high-quality 210T parachute nylon, this hammock is tear-resistant, breathable, and quick-drying, supporting up to 772 pounds. It features ultra-strong aluminum stakes and nylon straps with 6 adjustable loops for a secure setup. The hammock comes with a built-in mosquito net, designed with smaller holes for maximum protection against bugs. Setting up the net is easy with a single rope, and when not in use, simply store it by hooking it away. The hammock also includes an inner bag for storing small items. Measuring 9.5 feet long and 4.6 feet wide, it's compact at just 1.93 pounds and can be easily packed into its integrated stuff sack. Perfect for camping, hiking, or travel, the Covacure hammock provides a comfortable, hassle-free outdoor experience. A trusted choice with a satisfaction guarantee. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.